are you doing? I'm watching a goddamn face, you fat son of a bitch. He had to. All you had to do is tell the goddamn motherfucker question you to the goddamn dump. That I know goddamn. I gotta go watch my goddamn drawers. Oh my god. It's a goddamn poo. This ain't what the fuck. He was gonna get the cops. I don't give a fuck about the cops. I can lie to him, motherfucker. Your goddamn fault. You ain't helping into the goddamn house, man. The fuck is your problem? Goddamn. Having to use the pool. What the fuck you looking at? Something that I have to point out. What is it you need to fuck away from me? Goddamn mother. What? Oh my god. Stay in the door. Well, I can't get him out. You mean what you're gonna get washing? Let me tell you one motherfucking thing. How much is the bill for that piece of crap? We only owe $50 more, motherfucker. Then why don't you just pay it? Pay up $50. If I had $50 goddamn dollars, I goddamn paid the motherfucker. Oh. I ain't got $50. Yeah, you Mr. Beach, I have to tell you that, you might be a goddamn stepping fetch. If you do that, you go to jail. I go to jail, they wouldn't have got the goddamn washer. Yeah, what? Stupid goddamn piece of fuck. Better than you do. That was so hard to pay. We washed that shirt now. What the fuck? I washed the goddamn pool anyway. Let me take the fuck away from me. You got hammer. Whoa! Ah! Next time, don't you over shit. We'd have still had the motherfucking wash machine. You goddamn piece of motherfucking shit. We'd have still had the goddamn wash machine. But now, here I am to take it out. You stepping fetch motherfucker. Would you stop, please? Eat your motherfucking ass here right goddamn you. You understand me, motherfucker? Don't you volunteer that? Who the fuck you laugh at? You goddamn black-haired bum. It's crazy. Whoa. I hate you. I take my clothes off. Can't we get a laundromat? I ain't got nobody with goddamn laundromat. We gotta wash me in the pool. Here, give me your goddamn shirt. Oh. Give me your goddamn shirt. I'll wash that motherfucker too. Hey! Oh, God! The eye! Now I gotta rewash the goddamn shirt. Damn. What the fuck you gotta do to turn that goddamn camera? Motherfucker. Imaging. Hold the camera. Goddamn. I get stains on my drum. Please. Goddamn. Look at them goddamn motherfuckers. You have to scrub this out and throw them away one. You got those away. You want swimming later, right? No, not now. I'm not outside. I've had enough. Turn that motherfucker on. Seriously, you got it. Just go get a new washing machine. Ain't got the money, you dumb fuck. How hard is it to understand? Just go look at the top. I'm sure they got stuff on their fucking back. Goddamn, why you wipe that old shit we fucking had? Got no money. Tell you what, my computer still works. Mine don't, mine blew up. Motherfucker. By the way, where'd you get the new camera? I get paid. If you would've told me we owe it on a washing machine, I would've given you the money. Calm down, please. You better get out of here. What's that thing?